That really
Hi,
sucks.
Salty. Salty, please, man.
Fuck, why are two people shooting at me? Fuck this shit.
Oh, you're so low, and I know it.
Oh, there's a second one. No, you can't. It's actually really bad.
Oh,
I'm gonna destroy all of you. I'm gonna destroy you.
I never
Fucking finally got us a kill, bitch.
What we think again?
I never can get any ammo in it.
Ever, man.
Wait, look.
My whole entire life.
Oh, there's a second one. There's always a second and third one after I kill the first one. Man, you have to hit every shot, including the imaginary 7 you have.
No!
Don't kill someone.
Don't kill me! Oh my god!
Oh my
God! Oh, that's ammo!
Hi, how are you? No.
Dude, if you're gonna try and snipe me, at least be good pieces.
Excuse me. Matadors are not my weapon. Put P90s in the game and I shall destroy my anus along with yours. That sounds wrong. Hi, how are you?
Why do I have those ammo?
Yeah, sorry, bro. I'm not trying to be good. I just am.
Oh my!
No damage taken. Oh my god.
What?
Yeah.
No! You got me from 200 to 0. Man, good shots, bro. I guess I hit you in the head a couple times.
Oh, bitch, fuck you.
No curse words, just say anus. Anus is the ultimate curse.
I'm out of ammo. Hey.
What's up, how are you?
Oh my god, you guys! We're gonna make. I'm gonna make a
Anus.
roll.
What am I doing?
Hi, how are you?
Oh my god. Oh my god, this is so chaotic.
Not the anus.
I took no damage!
See, I really like the super jumps because they allow me to
I'm
get
out of
away
ammo.
easier.
Excuse me, I'm out of ammo.
No, I'm out!
Dude, you're so low.
I'm out! The damn square
No,
clothes.
you suck nuts!
My anus is scared. Killed your mom.
I'm gonna call you
Oh my God.
Squirrel, and you're dead.
Yay! Bro,
Everybody
The
kill
dumbest
Squirrel.
thing ever.
don't kill pig.
What's dumb?
What's dumb?
Fall damage and almost died.
Oh! Dang it!
No! No, please! This is so chaotic.
I seriously
I'm
need
happy.
ammo.
Wow, you got me through off my...
Deep gas like you're above.
Oh my god.
Yes! I did that!
Oh my god.
That was perfect.
Where'd he go?
Controller drift right now is not helping at all. Like, I like looking left just
man.
every
Snapped
20
up on me.
seconds.
Good job, Salty.
Thank you. I thought I did a pretty good job too.
Oh, this.
Complimenting yourself, that's the all-time low. Hi, Salty. How you doing?
Reese, I'm gonna find you.
Probably.
I'm gonna absolutely slaughter you. I'm gonna be a slaughterhouse up in here.
No.
Frick. Everybody hands in the air. Frick.
I'm out.
Yep.
The amount of times I've come up right behind people just to take them out is insane. Hey bro, how you doing? Hey, no, just look for ammo, or you can just completely destroy my game.
Oh, I don't have any ammo. Please leave me alone. Oh my god.
Yeah, they call me Grimaldi's Pizzeria.
No!
Fucking Scarecrow, I fucking hate you.
Oh my gosh.
Kill, guys. 28 kills.
Grimaldi's Pizzeria.
I win this.
Fucking hate you, Scarecrow.
Frick.
You just flew right up into my field of vision.
Frick. Okay, shoot. Okay, shoot. Okay, shoot. Okay, shoot. You killed my location. You killed me. You killed me while I had.
Are you ready to die?
Oh man, there's so many people.
I'm out! No, leave! Oh my god!
Ow, stop shooting me. I need to kill ammo. There's two. What do you expect me to do when there's two people at my anus and I got no ammo?
Hello.
Hi, sorry for killing you. Not really.
Go, ammo!
Allow me to stroke you.
This is like the worst fucking room ever, I swear to God.
Okay, then leave. Like literally nobody cares.
Literally nobody
Yeah,
cares,
no
or does
one
somebody kinda care?
My
No one
word.
freaking cares. No one freaking cares if you leave.
Everybody
Don't ask me how I'm alive. I just am.
I'm not asking, I wanna
Let me
learn
get
if I
ammo.
can survive. No one knows that I'm leaving alone.
No, I need
How many kills are we going to right now?
Spawn and get him.
I have no clue,
Oh
bro.
my god!
Oh my gosh.
Oh, I'm out of ammo.
Shut up!
Oh my god. How do I know? How did you know I was there?
I heard your footsteps.
Is this game
I
almost
think
over?
it's gonna kill me. I have this dude hunting me down. I don't know why.
Oh my god!
Freaking Amos.
Uh-oh, I caught the kid a new word.
What?
Anus. Ow, my enemy.
Let me get some ammo. Heck.
Fuck
I'm
you
out.
all!
Please don't.
Fuck you all!
I'm out
Die,
of
die, you
ammo.
motherfuckers!
Stuff you're throwing.
Dang it. How much kills?
Ah.